Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Reasons Mortgage account. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser in your PC. Now go to google.com and then search for Reasons Mortgage in the Google search bar. Tap on the first link which appears in your screen. Now, you can see that My Mortgage login or your Reasons login will be in the right hand side of your screen. You can write down your online ID, your password and hit the Remember Me box, and then your account will be remembered in your Chrome or Edge browser. After that, you can hit the Login button and then you will be logged in to your Reasons Mortgage account. Now, if you have forgotten your Reasons ID or your password, you can hit this button or this link which is visible to you clearly. After you click on this link, it will lead you to another page where you can enter your online ID and then you can log into your ID as Reasons account will send you a mail and then you can verify it and change your ID or your password. So it's quite easy guys. Go to the Reasons Mortgage official page and then hit the login button which is on the right hand side of your screen. Now you need to write down your username, your password and then you can log in to your account easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.